How to hide last seen on Snapchat. Let's jump right into the steps. First, go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Then tap on your beep emoji that is on the top left corner. Then tap on gear icon that is on the top right corner. Now here you need to scroll down and scroll down until you see my location. Then you want to go ahead and tap on see my location. A pop-up will appear where you will see the last active location. There are 3 different ways to hide last seen on TikTok. They are: you can show them only to your friends or only friends except some specific friends, and to only those specific friends. And for that you just have to go in and select the friends. And if you don't want to show the last seen to anyone, what you need to do is you just have to turn on ghost mode. To turn it on, all you have to do is tap on it as you turn on ghost mode, and as you do that you can hide last seen on Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.